Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's maths lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to subtract using bonds to 7, 8, 9, 10 and the number 20. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the words used for subtraction, recall the number facts to 20 and number pairs 4 to 20 and bonds to 10 and 20. We will also be able to subtract one digit from a two-digit number. For this lesson, we will need the words subtract, less, difference, deduct, cut, and minus. Try to challenge yourself and solve this. How can we solve 22 minus 5 without counting backwards? See if you can challenge yourself to solve this on your own. And share your answer with your teacher. Here we have the subtraction sum 7 minus 4. Now we can use number bonds to help us solve the problem. So if we were to make a number bond, we know that the big number always goes as our whole. So here we know that 7 is our largest number here that we see. So we will place it in the place of a whole. Now we can see that 4 is one part of our bond. Now we need to find what is the missing part. So we can see which number when I add it to 4 makes 7. We know that 3 and 4 makes 7. You can also try to solve the answer by counting backwards. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And there we have it. We have 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Let's try this one. We can also use a number chart to help us find the answer. Here we have the number 8. 8 minus 2 equals to what number? We can put 8 as our whole and 2 as one of our parts. And now we can also count 8 and jump 2 backwards, and we will see that 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Let's try the next one. Here we have 9 minus 3. So we can put the number 9 as our whole and 3 as one part of our bond. We can count backwards as well. 1, 2, 3. So 9 minus 3 equals to 6. If you've got this answer, amazing. Well done. Now we have the number 20 minus 15. So 20 can be as the number in our whole, and we can put 15 in one part of our bond. We can start at 20 and count back 15 times. 1. That's already 10. And then we're going to count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 15 minus 5 equals to 5. If you've got that answer, super job. Well done. Let's try the next one. Here we have 10 minus 6. So we can put 10 as our whole and 6 as one part. Now we count 10 and we move 6 spaces back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can see that 10 minus 6 equals to 4. 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Let's try this number with 20 minus 3. So we can put 20 as our whole and count 3 backwards. So we start at 20, count 1, 2, and 3 back, and we can see that 20 minus 3 equals to 17. And that is how we solve our answers we solve subtraction using number bonds. Keep practicing this and try many on your own. But for now, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed it. Assalamu alaikum.